Assalamualaikum. This is our fourth lecture of Exchange Server playlist, ECP and OWA in Exchange Server. After installing an Exchange server, you need to log in the server as an admin or as a client. In this video, we will see the login process as an admin or as a client. Let's dive into the video. ECP stands for Exchange Control Panel, is a web-based management interface. This interface is used by the admin for server maintenance and troubleshooting. OWA is Outlook Web Access. This is used by client for exchanging mail. Let's log in to our server. This is our Exchange Server 2016. To log in Microsoft Exchange Server 2016, we use Exchange Administrative Center. Continue to this website. This is the admin panel, Exchange Admin Center, domain macro, user administrator. Put the password and sign in. Here, administrator is the default user. Let's add some user in our user mailbox. Now we are creating two users. First user, James. And second user, Bond. Adding the user to user mailbox, user James and user Bond. Adding complete. Now we will access Outlook from a browser. Open a browser and type the URL. Put the username and password and sign in. Sorry, something is wrong here. Log in with the Bond user. Again error. You may also face problem like this. Let's use another browser. Logged in, select your time zone here. Click Save. We are logged in as Bond user. Let's open another browser. Put the URL here. Continue. Log in with the James user. In virtual machine, you may face some problems sometimes. You can type James at the rate domain name, then put the password, sign in. Select your time zone here. Click Save. We have logged in with two users, James and Bond. Now send a mail to Bond user from James user. Put a subject as you wish. How are you? The mail has been sent. You can see that the mail is in Sent Items folder. The mail has been also received. It is already in Bond user's inbox. You can reply the mail. We have successfully exchanged mail using the mail server. You may face certificate issues. Then you can just issue certificate from the admin panel. You can check your IP also. Any error in IP can also give you problem. Thank you all for staying with us.